Hey guys, welcome back to the room. This is where we make music, talk about music, look at music. What are we going to be doing tonight? I'm gonna be traveling out of my comfort zone. So I've seen that they dropped like this K-pop thing, this K-pop Vox, meaning it's like K-pop like vocals versus hooks. Let's jump right into it. It adds like this really weird like it fit, but there's also like a tension there that makes you go like, where is this gonna go? When is it gonna release?
That's what she said.
So I think I'm gonna have this thing as the intro. I do want to release that tension, so I think I'm going to find another sample that sits better with the vocals. So I want to drag this thing and leave it over here so like you're kind of already introduced to the violin, right? Your ears is not going to be like, oh, this is new. And that's going to be the transition. All right. So now we're going to make first verse. Let me find another chopped one. Let's bring that in. I'm actually gonna keep that there, but I want it to be like right here. I think I'm gonna have another verse and then have that come in to calm everything down. I feel like this energy is nice. Like the energy is still there from the first one, right? So it's not too much of a drastic change. Oh shit. Hold up. Okay, that one goes. I kind of like this one. Ooh, that's a groove. And that violin goes dumb hard. That's like a pre-chorus. Let's get a chorus in there. Let's have that in there. I should bring this back, like right here somewhere. Yo, I can't believe I can't believe I made this. Icing so far that we're missing is the bass, which is going to be an 808. An 808, the all-powerful bass distorted that rules the world we live in. Just kidding. I want the kick to be like dun 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 dun, and it goes back down. So I'm gonna bring the bass back here, but I'm actually gonna change the second one. I want this one to hit harder than this one.
I'ma be alright, cause you know 나는 갑이야, yeah. Go girl, I'll be killing all night. You know I'll be making all that melon like a boss. Like a boss. Like a boss. 뜨겁게 말해봐, 뜨겁게. 다가온 이 눈빛하고 come at me. 어서 덤벼봐, ta killer. I'll be on the top, ta winner. 뜨겁게 말해봐, 뜨겁게. 다가온 이 눈빛하고 come at me.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in again in the room with me, Chris. I've never done anything like this to this extent before, in adding vocals and playing it with other samples or other instruments, other melodies. It was a whole trip. Yeah, so please don't forget to like and subscribe, share this to a friend, share this to someone who likes K-pop, someone who likes trap music, someone who likes music in general, or someone who wants to learn how to arrange. This has all that aspect in there. And if you made it this far, thank you so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay fierce. Peace.